Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Santi Urban Backpack. So this is a decent sized rucksack, really for these sort of urbanites, for sort of commuter travel and all that kind of stuff. But you can keep, I mean, I put like my dive mask in here with my sort of reels and my slates, your dive computer and all that kind of stuff. Keep that safe and with you. It has a removable rain cover as well, so that's really handy, especially in and around the dive site. Any kind of spray coming over it will just kind of roll off. So, taking a closer look, starting up at the top, we have a decent chunky grab handle. This is padded as well, so very soft and comfortable on your hand, even when you're lugging sort of heavy stuff around inside of it. Moving slightly further down, we have a little headphone sort of point through there. So again, for the commuter, you can put your headphone lead through that, listen to your headphones whilst you're commuting to work. Moving down from that, starting at the front, we've got a single front pocket which has got reinforced material. So this is sort of semi-flexible, it's kind of rigid, with a single sort of zipper down the front. And on that little zipper tog, you've got a line arrow, just some small little details, means that it's a sort of diver's backpack. Inside that, it's just a simple sort of front easy access section, so you can stow stuff away in that. Because it's behind this semi-rigid material, it's just protected. The main section, two little zippers going down either side of the backpack, opens that up, and we have a few different sections inside of here. So we've got an ID section just in the front, so you can put your ID card, your insurance details, your diver certs, or whatever you want inside of that. Lots of different sections for anything that you need, and your sort of your pens, your essential sort of bits and bobs. This lower section has a Velcro part, so you can separate the lower ends and then put that section down so you can separate it. So if you've got some sort of wet kit or something, you can start to separate it. That's padded as well, and you can remove it completely if you just want a big open space. Zipping that back up again, we can see that on either side of the backpack we have these little sort of elasticated sections for either your water bottle or anything that you want a sort of quick, sort of really quickly grab hold of it. At the top of here, you'll notice we have a long zipper that runs down the side, and that's for your laptop or your smart tablet or something. You can stow that away. It's nice and soft on the inside, so it's not going to scratch anything. Keeps it nice and flat. It's against your back. It's really sort of close to you, so you're never going to lose it, and people aren't going to get into that section anytime soon. The handles themselves, or the sort of shoulder straps, these are padded. You've got elasticated loops on that, so you can sort of have a water hydration line sort of running down that. You have a movable chest strap, so that moves up and down on this little rail, and that is sort of elasticated as well. So it's got a bit of give. It will keep your shoulder straps in position, but they will kind of give you a bit of flexibility. And then down at the bottom, we have another hidden section, and this is where your rain cover sort of sits. So this is elasticated, that will go over the entire backpack, the top, the size and everything. So even if the rain starts to fall, it's going to protect the bag and keep everything inside it nice and dry. So it's a very handy little backpack for anybody really. You've got small little details all over it that tells people that you're a diver. It's got sort of subtle branding on it. It's a smart little rucksack. This is the Santi Urban Backpack. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.